Prepare the rear diffuser, assembly kit, and necessary tools before assembly. We recommend using jacks. We recommend working with 2 people. Place the diffuser against the bumper and check the fit. Pay attention to the diffuser risers, whether they are properly pressed against the bumper. Clean and degrease the bumper surface thoroughly. Then remove the protective film from the double-sided tape placed on the diffuser risers. Place the diffuser against the bumper. Press the risers firmly against the bumper so that the double-sided tape sticks to the bumper. Then align the diffuser with the bumper. The diffuser should not protrude inside the rear wheel arch. The diffuser should be flush with the body line. Then drill holes in the bumper through the original holes in the places of the diffuser that are most protruding towards the wheel arch. Place the screw in the holes with the head facing down. Then place a washer and nut on the screw thread and tighten lightly. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Drill through the bumper through the original holes in the rear diffuser. Then insert the screws from the assembly kit into the drilled holes so that the screw head is pointing towards the ground and the thread is pointing towards the trunk. Then place a washer and nut on the thread. Then tighten all the screws tightly. Place the rear side flaps against the rear diffuser where the thread is visible. Then screw the rear side flaps lightly using the screws from the assembly kit. Determine how much the rear side flap should protrude from the diffuser. Then screw the rear side flaps tightly.